All you.
All right. Well, thanks for waiting out till this. Field botany is we cover plants with backbones, vascular plants, and that's flowering plants and ferns. Taught by Chuck Davis and myself. Chuck is from Harvard, the Michigan of the East, and let's go through them quickly. The Straits area is where there's lots of stuff happening in terms of diversity. There's somewhere in the order of, 12, 1,300 species. We skip a few, but also we look at the basics of the plants through what we've learned with modern phylogenetics. And so you get a lot of that from Chuck especially. That's his big interest. We see everything in the field. We're out in the field all day. None of this work in the lab, just looking at plants in the wild. We get a lot of advanced stuff. We look, we're equal opportunity botanists. Sedges and rushes and grasses are a big part of the class. There is an emphasis on characters and learning the plants in a way that allows you to transfer your knowledge to other areas, because of course the world's floras differ from place to place. We do this on an ecosystem basis, so you look at forests and the interaction of biomes and how the floras make these biomes. And we see a lot about the influence of climate on the plants. We look at Lake Superior. We have a couple of long field trips up to Lake Superior, which is always a lot of fun. A lot of the habitats in the area of the Straits and the biological station are unique to that area. Some of the calcareous wetlands, the fens, are remarkable. They have endemics, and a lot of evolution is going on there, a lot of local species. This is the entire world range of this unassuming looking goldenrod, and you're going to be one of the lucky few that will see it. And our most famous endemic is this little iris. We'll see that too. We see some things that are basically just even evolving, some subspecies that appear to be differentiating that are left behind by the glaciers. We talk about that and look at what's happening with these at the end. And we have actually several Michigan endemics. There's another one, and this is a possible progenitor. So there are a lot of interesting things to study up in that area. I don't have a slide about the importance of flowering plants. Well, they're major components of pizza. I think that's pretty good. Why not? And so if you have any questions, by all means, email either Chuck or I, or catch me at the end. We, after you've gained some knowledge, we actually do a class project, which is usually conservation oriented, and we look at species in certain areas and do some documenting, interesting stuff, trying to help conservation. So I think that's it.
Okay.